Let's learn our AB2BC's.
Calm down, class. As always, for our AB2BC's, we do one person and one thing per letter. Today, we're starting with A. So our A term is attribution. Who can tell me what attribution is?
Me. Is it a way for marketing to steal credit for sourced revenue because they think that their leads list and ebooks and events actually help sales close deals? Is that it?
That's right, little Johnny. And for a bonus point, can you tell me, what does Chris Walker think about attribution?
Did he say it's a mirage because what customers tell companies and what the attribution software says is actually different?
Awesome job. 10 points to Gryffindor. All right, moving on. Our A name person is Adam Grant. Who is he?
Is he the really smart organizational psychologist guy that he's an author and he wrote books and he posts really motivational one-liners from his Twitter account to LinkedIn for his 5 million followers?
Nice job. Yeah. Speaking of A, give me that. You can have this back later. All right. For B. All right. Bofu. What is it?
Is it fake meat?
No, that's tofu.
Is it fear of missing out?
No, that's FOMO. That's not even close. What's Bofu?
Is it where the magic happens?
Yep.
Last stop before close one city?
Yep.
Is it when my manager actually cares that I exist again?
Nailed it.
Yes.
Good job. Just want to say, yep, it's late in the buying process before a lead converts to a paying customer. Wake up! Get up! No sleeping in this class. And for our B person, Bolian, as in Matt Bolian. Who is he?
He's the guy that loves Reeboks.
RevOps, not Reeboks. It's not shoes.
RevOps, sorry. And he's the guy that's married to HubSpot.
He didn't marry HubSpot. He really loves HubSpot.
Sorry. Yeah, he's a really smart guy. With RevPartners, yeah.
Yep, he is super smart. And for a bonus point, what's his catchphrase?
His catchphrase? Stay awesome and keep doing it big.
Yep, stay awesome and keep doing it big.